So in this video, I'm going to share you how we can make use of Google advanced search queries in finding our targeted audience. So we can make use of this technique to find emails or contact information of people to a specific region with a specific demography, and also get the suitable information to create a targeted group or a targeted community. For that, I am going to make use of Google search query with a proper format, and also there are certain free tools available out there which can be used to extract information from the query that we have searched. So I will start with Google search query here. So as you can see, I have started with the background information of the audience that I'm looking for, the city or state in which they live, the country that they reside in, and at the end I've used the social media platform to be Facebook in my case. In this information you can fill in anything related to any website where you can find the information. It could be LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. It could be any website where you can find the information. For me, in my case, I'm targeting Facebook at this point of time. So I've used this query and I've made a search. Now, to make my job easier, I would need the maximum search results to be displayed on this page so that I can make use of these free tools to extract at least 100 queries at a time. For that, I have to go to search settings, and as you can see here, I have set the search result per page as 100. If you have it to 10, it would be you would have to do the job many more times. So if you set it to 100, you can get 100 queries extracted by the tool at a stretch. So I'm going back to the search results. So here, as you can see, I've got different kinds of profile. It may not be that I would need all the information from all these profiles, but as you can see, there are few accounts that are suitable to my community restrictions that I am going to perform on, or community demographics that I am looking for. So as I can see here, this account is suitable for what I am looking for currently. Similarly, there are other account details as well which is suitable to my community as of now. So I would have to make some filters available for the data to get the right contact information or people that I'm looking for. So now, once I've got the search extracted on the results page, I am going to a free Chrome extension called as Data Scraper. I have already added this extension to my Google Chrome. So once it gets added, you would see this extension displayed on your extension list as I'm showing you on the screen. So if your installation is successful, a page of this sort would pop up. You would have to actually sign up after installing to scrape the data. I've already done these steps earlier because I've been using this tool for very long now. So I am just planning to extract the information that I'm looking on this page. So let me just give it a try by opening the data scraper. So as you can see, it's asking me to log in. So I am just signing in with Google. So I am going for a free plan right now. So it seems that I have not used this email ID for the data scraper. So I'm not changing the plan currently. I'm just using the features. So let me go back to the search query. Since I've already logged in, I'm giving it a second try. So as you can see here, there are already some recipes in the sense the structure of how you want the information to be extracted. So in my case, I'm just going to scrap the information that I'm seeing on the Google search page results. You can also create a own recipe, customized one. I have done that earlier, but for this video I am restricting myself to the information that I'm seeing on the Google search results page. As you can see here, you can get table data as well as you can get other Google Scholar data, auto-generated recipe. So it depends on what you want and how you want the structure to be. So let me go with the very generic kind of search results. So I'm just opening the data miner for that. So as you can see, it's finding the recipe and it has already extracted the information that it could from these profiles. So it has also extracted the Facebook profile pages, which would make me easier to connect with these people if they fall into the category that I'm searching for. So this way it would make your job easier in finding the people that you're looking for, just by having the profile name and ID with you and from where they belong to. You can filter it, you can export this content into an Excel, and then you can filter out the people that you are finding for. So there's also an option where you are going to save the results, and yeah, so here as you can see, I have the table format that has been extracted. Now if I download this thing, it will ask me in which format I want to download. I can tell it as an Excel. So there's a restriction to how many rows you can download. Currently I have only 100 because I've only extracted the first page. So I am not going to download this because I don't need this data. It was only meant for the video. But this is how you can make your job easier with the free tools that Google provides to extract information that you require. You can create Facebook groups or communities based on this and promote your content if you are a marketer. So this is the use of Data Scraper tool. Thank you for watching.